Going from sand to powder, and from rusted bearings to this beautiful matte color. In this video, I'm going to tumble the bearings with a little bit sand and other container with about 3/4 of sand. The sand is coming from the surroundings, and it's a molehill sand that I sifted and dried for this video. In future videos, I'm going to try to make clay from this molehill sand. For I can see in previous tumbling sessions that it is getting very fine. So I'm curious if I would be able to make clay from that sand. So remember to subscribe if you want to see the future video, and if you are also curious about that. I made the drums myself, so there is a video of how I did that. You are welcome to go and watch it. Thank you for watching, and again remember to subscribe and follow me. Have a good day.